Hello everyone, Jeff, Jeff Bahina here from Oslo, Cebu, and 1K guider of FMM Global Community Philippines. And here I am once again to thank you all participants for my another successful GitHub worth 119,900 pesos requested yesterday, November 13, 2015. I provide help. I request to provide help plus October 28 worth 50,000 pesos. Today I am so happy and thankful for my successful GitHub. And this GitHub comes from my 30% Magro leader bonus, mining light. I also provide help 5,000 pesos last November 11, 5,000 pesos, and this started at October 28, so it is this defrosted. So my 50,000 becomes 57,000 after more than 15 days. And I have leader bonus, 30%, bonus for the video, leader bonus 30%, referral bonus, leader bonus 30%, and mining bonus 100 pesos. So a total amount of 119,900 pesos. So I would like to thank all the participants, especially these 5 participants who provide assistance in my GitHub, named J. Daniel, Deo, Norfasia, Anonymous, and Jobo. Total amount of 119,900 pesos. So thank you all participants, and special thanks to our founder, Sir Sergio Magrodi, for his very amazing and unique opportunity of providing help and getting help directly to each other. Long live FMM, and together we can change the world. Thank you.